try to reach you, but you close your mind. So much to say, the words are.
Hello guys, welcome you all back to my channel. Today's video is the continuation of the last video I posted. So sit back, relax, and enjoy the rest of the video. And don't forget to subscribe, like, and share to someone else. At this point, I was getting so tired. 11:45. If you watch carefully, I'm making the rest a little bit bigger than the normal size. Normally, I would divide this into 3 rows, but and you can wear these for 2 to 3 months. Just that I hate washing my hair in braids. I normally keep my micro braids in for just 2 weeks, and that's it. That's all I can do. 2 weeks and I take them down. But if you want to keep them in for 2 to 3 months, you just want to make sure to wash the hair at least once in a month. Micro braids are a hell of work. It takes so much time to do, depending on your hair length and also the density and how small you want your braids to look. It can take anywhere from, let's say, 3 to 4 hours in a day. Micro braids need time. You have to have time, and if sitting still that long isn't in your DNA. Seriously, trust me, mini braids may not be for you because it can take just as long to remove them also. I'm going to divide this in 2 parts instead of 3 or 4. I had to finish this before I go to bed. The next day I'll be going to work too. So thank God I'm almost done. If you watch carefully, these 4 rows were a little bit bigger than the normal sizes because of time. And I had to chat to give myself going, and I was getting really tired. Watch some movies just to ginger you up. Wake you up because it's so tiring. And thank God I'm done here. Look at how beautiful this hair looks. It's bra length, not heavy at all because I used easy braiding hair. You all know how much I love this hair. The hair came out perfect, just the way I like it. And the color I used was T1B/30. So at this point I was getting ready to go to bed, and you'll see in the next day.
Try to reach you, but you close your mind. So much to say, the words are hard to find.
All done. Hair is looking good so far, so I'm getting ready to dip this in hot water to slick and tame down all the flyaways.
Make it feel alright, 'cause I'm never giving up on you, 'cause I'm never giving up on you. I know each time it's worth the fight. I'll be around till you be alright.
I'm going to trim the end for healthy look.
worth the fight. I'll be around till you be alright.
Thank you so much for watching. I appreciate you all, and that'll be all for today's video. And don't forget to subscribe, like, and share. And these are some of the few hairstyles I created during the day to work, to church, etc. So definitely stay safe and see you all in my next video. I love you guys. Love you so much.
I'm never giving up on you, 'cause I'm never giving up on you. I know each time is worth the fight. I'll be around till you be